Oh, your little tail wagger. Look at you. Hi. You're full of beans, aren't you? I can just tell. You're just looking to get into something. Oh, sweet baby. What's going on? Oh, yeah, he's frisky.
Hey, they got nice little peppermints.
Look at he's getting all frisky. He wants to play. You're silly. You gonna get him? Gonna bite his nose? Get him by the nose.
Oh.
You are saucy. Oh, you got some growling. Sorry, I'll stop the play-by-play. I'm distracting you with the play-by-play. Oh! 4 weeks is like so adorable.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look. All right, you're trouble. Oh, you guys are like twins. Look at you.
Aww.
Except one's really, really bad. The good twin and the bad twin.
Oh, you're hiding. I like that. Get your feet in the back like that.
He can't help himself. He's just wanting to wrestle.
So I told Mom not to say anything to Dad until I actually bring the pup home.
I'm sorry, Glenda. Don't show her this video then. Because if your dad sees it, the surprise is done.
Oh, yeah. Well, I know I actually have it on my phone. I copied it off my TV and put it on my phone.
Oh my goodness, that's a funny baby right there.
Well,
they're so
really,
cute.
you know, I live on my own. I mean, it should be my choice what kind of dog I get.
Well, if don't get one like that guy right there. He's gonna be giving you a hard time. Bad, just a bad little baby right there.
There you got it.
Get this nice quiet baby. Doesn't do anything. Oh, it's gonna bite me. It's gonna get me. You didn't want to get me, did you? Ow, ow! You really got teeth. Ow! You little stinker. Oh yeah, you got baby teeth. Yes, you do. Enough of the paparazzi. What? What are you doing? You just wait till Minnie comes in. Minnie's coming in for a visit. Is that okay? Do you know who Minnie is? You're gonna have half siblings from Minnie. Does it mean less attention for you?
Wait, over here.
They start getting warmed up or
Oh,
just get into play mode.
Whenever I got off the couch, I had my favorite spot. And she'd get in my spot. And even when she was at her sickness, it was a little joke she used to do to me. Get in my spot and lay there.
Oh, they're so sweet. Hey, who is that coming? Uh-oh, here comes the mini dog. Okay, I have to cancel this video.
What are you doing? Well, there you